On a soft metal roof shingle, you would need to bend the back of the mesh down, so make sure to watch the video on how to bend the mesh. Use sharp-tipped screws so you can easily screw the mesh into the metal roof shingle. Most soft metal roofs are about even with the front lip of the gutter, but some have gutters hung several inches below the edge of the roof line. To install on a gutter hung low from the edge of a roof line, make sure to watch the video on how to install on a low hanging gutter. Put 3 to 5 screws along the back to secure firmly to the edge of the soft metal shingles. If there are any gaps in the back where the mesh doesn't evenly meet the edge of the metal roof, you can use your fingers to gently push the mesh to close those gaps.